All right, everyone, let's talk about the big picture of system design, and this is where we set the stage for everything that follows. So let's dive in. So this part of interview, like that, how to draw on all meme. So step one, draw some circles. Step two, draw the rest of the all. So kind of feels impossible, but this is your chance to show how you think, how you connect ideas, and prove you're not just throwing buzzwords around. So it will be a critical signal that you'll send. The core task, your goal here is simple. So address the trick. The trick is the core problem you're solving. So interviewer has no idea what's in head, and honestly, uh, neither do you until you start mapping it out. So the diagram is the tool for your own brain to discover what you need. So the outcome of the interview really depends of getting this diagram right. Start with inputs and outputs, and if you remember one thing, this is like know your inputs and outputs. So if you have those, you can't get lost. So start with the user, what they do, what they want. That's a box, and then there is service, and don't get bogged down in details like REST WebSockets. Just say recommendation service or ETA service, and if you get stuck, work backward from the output, and that will be like a powerful technique. Let's be real about what machine learning is for. So it's not for things you can solve it with bunch if statements like permissions and complex problems. It's for the fuzzy complex problems that you can't write explicit rules, not recognizing like a face in a photo. So your job as a system designer is to identify which part of the system is actually ML problem and which aren't. So don't just say ML system. This so try to not draw just one big label ML system and say this is ML system. So mm, that tells nothing. So what are the stages? What is the filtering stage, ranking stage? 9 times 10, these ML models are mix of MLM or non-MLM components. So uh, another thing to do is end-to-end deep learning is almost never answered in these interviews. So you need to show all the pieces. You're, you're designing the whole system, so not just model, and do not just draw just model. So you don't need to design a feature store from scratch, but you absolutely should have a box on your diagram that says feature store. It shows that you're thinking about practical realities of building and maintaining the system. Let's say there is a Uber ETA diagram, and the real challenge here is not just getting a prediction, it's getting a prediction that is used in real-time data like traffic and pretty fast. So how embeddings and pre-computation, you do all the heavy lifting ahead of time, and then you can be lightning fast when it matters. So start with like one box a user, and then you can add another one when you are designing this scale recommender system. You slowly build it out, and you can realize you missed some steps, and you go back. Yeah, and but that's kind of process of discovery, and it's okay to not be perfect and just keep moving. And that's how you tackle a big pitch. Good luck.